Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can log into your Netspend Premier's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Netspend Premier's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in Netspend Premier login and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Click on the first link shown on the page. You will end up on the login page of Netspend Premier's account. Enter your username and password associated with your Netspend Premier's account and tap on Login. In case if you want your username to be remembered next time you log in, tick mark on the box that says Remember Username. In case if you don't remember your username or password, click on the link that says Forgot your username or Forgot your password. This is how you can log into your Netspend Premier's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.